Hello, my name is Everton, and in this video the goal is to compare Cypress and Playwright to see what is the best framework to each case. And let me get started to demonstrate the code of the Cypress and the Playwright. And the right side is the Cypress code and the left side is the Playwright code. And look that the assertion is the same thing. Here we can see each and here test, and the both dashes doing the same thing, and the difference is the how each works. And the both dashes is dashing my blog and the basic assertions and the open section here in this each to check the section. In here test open one section, and here check the second item to test the .ek. And I use in TypeScript to both frameworks and the Cypress 10 version. And 10 version is the more fast with the previous versions comparison of this just Cypress. And Playwriting, the last version I am using. And look that the difference in the between is this tag. In Playwright we have this tag, and I am using to demonstrate the power of the Playwright, because Cypress do not have this tag, and because that I am not using here. And let me get started testing in the headless mode, and we can see the difference in the both frameworks actually. And I will start in the same almost the same time, the woman delay. And let me get started here. And this command line is doing the same thing. The difference is just the framework. And after it's finished, I will show in the browser. And the last time it was more fast, was 9 seconds. Here 9 seconds, and after 15 seconds. And the Cypress yet running. Okay, finish processing video. Okay, the test is finished. The 19 tests in 35 seconds, and the same asserts the same quantities of the tests 50 seconds. This happens because the Playwright is in the parallel, but I put in the parallel just these tests because the describe is the filler yet, and because that is I'm not using the final power of the Playwright. And let me demonstrate it in the browser here. In the Playwright we can put this comment that I put this in the package JSON. The comment is npx playwright hidden to check this, and I am open 19 browsers, and look that it is not, it's more fast here, a lot tests, and it is not slow my computer. This is more fast. And okay, 19 passed. That is my blog, and it is correct. 2 files because it's not my blog, it is other test. I forgot to put my filter to filter blog. To filter blog I can put blog to check this. and this leaves 23 seconds and 19 tests. In the Cypress, it is not possible to run 90 tests. To run 90 tests is leaving a lot of time of me. And to run in Cypress, we can put Cypress open to run in the browser, and component testing to is the same thing to view test utils. For Cypress is in the beta it is interesting. And two tests, Chrome and my just blog. Here is fast in the 10 version, and the 19 tests here. But it's not parallel. Okay. My blog not have bugs, and I found the bugs when I created this test. I'm created this test and the multiple bugs appear, and I am fixing in the same time. And okay, look that it's fast too in the 26 seconds, but the playwright leave more time because this other test. Let me filter in the blog, and playwright open multiple browsers because each test needs open one browser difference, and it is not okay. And look that the Cypress show the comments that is running in the real time. And to do this in the playwright, we can set debug for do this, and look remove this for less testing, and run this blog and debug. With debug, we can see the logs equals Cypress. We can see the multiple logs, and to see in the playwright, we can okay. Let me remove this. Okay, and browser. Okay, here. Look that I open playwright with the debug, and I can see line per line to debug my test, and this circle in red is one where it's click page.click, next line, click here, check title, and after the first title finish. The next test is the same thing, but it's open my page and check the title here. And the other test, these two, check elements in the list in the second index. And it's okay if we can debug one specified line, we can set here. But Pascal is that in the Cypress, I am using TypeScript in the comments to recognize this function, and in the playwright I'm using TypeScript with page with a simple page object, and here, and basically that. In my opinion, the playwright is more fast, and the code is a little more hard, but it's more fast in the for testing more pages, and the playwright is the the better option. But for beginners, I think that the Cypress is the best, is the better. But the both frameworks is the Amazon, and principally in the Cypress with 10 version. 10 version in Cypress improvement a lot of things. For example, the comments with TypeScript is the beautiful thing, and this browser with Cypress is more beautiful. And basically is that. Thanks.